Welcome to Miniatures by Princess. Today I'll be showing you how to assemble the Miniatures by Princess Adirondack Chair kit. Let's get started. First, I put double-sided tape on template 2 and I adhere the back slats of the chair, which all have a straight edge at the bottom and a rounded edge at the top, and I adhere those to the template on the double-sided tape. This will make it easy for you to glue your supports in place. Next, you're going to take some wood glue. I use Gorilla wood glue. It is one of the best in my opinion. And put right across where you see the crossbar for the back, put a dot of glue on each of the slats and then adhere the back brace. Now you're going to put double-sided tape on the seat part, template 4. You're going to make sure that the spacing between your top 2 slats is 1/16 of an inch. To do this, you can place one of the other slats in between because they are 1/16 inch thick, and that will give you the spacing needed in order to fit the chair back in between those 2 pieces. And then put the rest of the seat slats in place. Next, you're going to take one of the legs and put glue on the edges of the slats that you just adhered to template 4. The leg goes toward the back with the angled edge up, and the front of it you're going to want to line up with just the straight part of the leg so that it sticks out a little bit, because you're going to add 2 more slats to that front part of the chair. Do this to the other side as well. Make sure your legs are on the correct way. And then we'll move on to the other page of template. This is for your arm supports and arms. The little tiny piece you're going to take and put glue on the straightest, longest edge of it and adhere it to the small slat in the very center so that it supports the arm when it's on your chair. And do this to the other one as well. Make sure everything's all nice and lined up. And then take one of your arms, and you're going to want the small piece flush with the straightest edge of the arm. Look at the instructions if you need any assistance on that one. And then do that also to the second arm. And you can see pretty well in this picture that the small brace of the arm support is actually flush with the straightest edge of the arm. Now you're going to take your chair seat and your wood glue and put some wood glue in between that larger slat and put your chair back inside there. And now you can see the chair is starting to take shape. And I put a piece of tape on this so I can get my arms at the right level, and that'll just hold it upward so that when you're gluing the arms in, they will be square with the ground. And do this to both sides. As you'll see in a minute, it's a little finicky. I was impatient and couldn't wait for the glue to dry. So things fell apart a little bit, but you should wait for the glue to dry on this before moving on. And here I'm gluing the last 2 slats in for the seat on the front, and there's angles that you can follow on the legs of the chair. And there go the arms. And just put those back. Might need a little more glue here and there to adhere those. And I held it for a little bit and just let it solidify, but again, I'm impatient and it falls apart again. That's okay. We can get this done. Add a little more glue, and voila, your Adirondack chair kit is assembled. For more, please follow me on my YouTube channel or TikTok. I am Miniatures by Princess. And I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching.